Your favorite girl is back, and I want to show you guys some new jewelry from BM25. And y'all already know I got y'all with the little discount code. Keep watching until the end. All of their jewelry is stainless steel, so this won't be turning green like I can say about a few other companies that have sent me jewelry, but we're not gonna talk about it. First, we have this beautiful little butterfly. I'm gonna have to like zoom in for y'all, but look at that. So let's go ahead and take this out. That went in really easily. It adds the perfect amount of pizzazz. I'm just a little butterfly. I mean, y'all, this was meant for me. This one is just like a teardrop kind of deal. It's a chandelier. So let's see how this one looks. I really don't know if it fits me, but that's hard as fuck. Like, this one's a little bit different. I know it looks like the last one I had before, but I like the Fang one better. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but this is super cute. Tell me guys what you think in the comments.